Hey, basically, I just want to spend a few minutes in wrapping up, not completely wrapping up, but maybe doing a recap on some of the things we talked about in chapter 20, chemical texture services. Just kind of recapping the learning objective. Number one was talking about the structure and the purpose of the hair layer. Number two was talking about the chemical action that takes place during permanent waving. Number three, we talked about the difference between alkaline wave and true acid wave. Number four, the purpose of neutralizing in permanent waving. Also, there's a purpose of neutralizing in chemical relaxers. And then number five, describe how thiol relaxers straighten the hair. Number six, how hydroxide relaxers straighten the hair. And number seven, we haven't got to yet, is basically curl reform and what it's best used for. But just want to just briefly cover some of the key things that we talked about. We talked about a lot in permanent waving and chemical services as far as relaxing. But I just want to show you what the end result should look like after a permanent wave, because you know that the permanent wave, the purpose of that is to take straight hair, make it curly, and then the purpose of relaxer is to take curly hair and make it straight. But just hold on a few minutes and I'm going to show you what the results should look like. First, we're going to do the permanent wave. I'm going to show you what straight hair looks like before and the curly hair looks like after it's been a permanent wave. Just hold on just a second. Okay, so now this is kind of straight hair before the permanent wave. Most people hair is kind of straight like this before the permanent wave. So this is what we're looking at before the permanent wave. Okay, this is the before picture. This is no wave. This is just straight hair with no chemicals in it at all. So the next thing I'm gonna show you is the results. Once you put the process, once you rod the hair, put the permanent wave in there, the sulfate bonds break down, the chemistry takes action, create a physical and chemical change, and this is the results you get from the permanent wave. Just hold on. Now this is going to go from straight to curly. All right, that's the purpose of permanent wave. Black folk, you don't get perm, you get relaxed. I'm gonna talk about that in a minute. But the purpose of permanent wave from straight to curly. Watch this. Okay, here we go. Now, I got that permanent wave in there. Went from straight to curly. You see those curls, how that chemical did that? You know how it was straight. And then I put that permanent wave in there, had it rodded up, put that solution on there, let it stay in there for the recommended amount of time that's on the box. You got to read the instructions on the box. Then I neutralized it. You know, first of all, I rinsed out the solution for a straight 5 minutes with warm water, each rod by rod, just like I applied the solution rod by rod, rinse it out, rod by towel dried it, right? Neutralize it for a 5 minute, let it set, then rinse it out really good. Okay, and then this is the results I got. I got me a nice curl from the permanent wave. Okay, next I'm going to show you what the relaxer does. A relaxer take curly, coarse hair, overly curly hair, and straightens out. But I'm going to show you the pre-relaxed hair first, and then I'm going to show you the post-relaxed hair. Don't go anywhere. Just hold on. I'll be right back. Okay, now this is hair before a relaxer. Now, this is my curly hair, over curly hair, but I want straight hair. This is the power of the curl, okay? But I want straight hair, all right? So this is what I do. You know, when I want straight hair and I got curly hair, the power of curl, I get a relaxer. I get a relaxer and I put it in then, okay? So this is what happened with the power of the curl when I'm tired of the curl, the tight curl, and I want it straight. That's the purpose of relaxer. Relaxers break it down, straighten it out, break those disulfide bonds down, and straighten the strongest of the side bonds, the sulfide bonds. The chemical relaxer, which has the caustic soda, the same stuff that you use in Drano, the same stuff that you use in Neat in there, which is a hair depilatory. It burns the hair off your skin. Neat does in there. The same stuff that you put in your pipes in your bathroom and your kitchen to unclog it is found in chemical straighteners, chemical relaxers. But let me show you the results. What it do from curly, watch this, to straight. Hold on, don't go anywhere. Okay, there we go. There we go. I went from curly to straight, right there. Got that relaxer in there. Got it around. This is the result of a virgin relaxer. Got it around there. You saw me how it was curly at first, and then I went and put my relaxer in, and I went from curly to relaxed. That's really relaxed right there. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. It's so straight and relaxed, getting all in my eyes. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that relaxer right there. That was a good one. That's a mild. No, that's a regular strength. The book tells you the different strength. Mild, regular, and super. Nobody needs a super. Look at that right there. Look at that. That is a regular strength relaxer. You saw how it was before. There's the results afterwards. So remember, relaxers go from curly to straight. If you don't remember anything else during these lessons, remember permanent waves take you from straight to curly. Relaxers take you from curly to this. This is straight. Straight is the best. Look at that. With the little volume in the top. We did that right there. Okay. All right. Okay. Now remember, don't forget, you're going to have a quick quiz on this real soon. Chemical Texas, Chapter 20. Permanent wave and sodium hydroxide relaxer and soft curl wave. Okay? See you when we see you.